In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change transparency of an image. Whether you're softening a background for text, creating a subtle watermark, or blending visuals for a cleaner layout. Adjusting transparency is a quick way to get a polished, professional look without complicated editing. Start by selecting the image you want to adjust. Click it once and make sure you see the selection handles or border appear around it. This confirms the image is active and ready to edit. If you accidentally select other elements, click on an empty area and try again so only your image is highlighted. Keeping the selection clean helps ensure the next options appear exactly where you need them. With the image selected, open Format Options. You can do this from the toolbar if you see a Format Options button, or you can right-click directly on the image and choose Format Options from the menu. Either approach takes you to the same controls, typically in a panel or sidebar on the right. If you don't see it at first, double-check the image is still selected. The panel usually appears only when an image is active. Inside the Format Options panel, look for a section called Adjustments. It might be collapsed by default, so click to expand it. This area houses simple, powerful controls that affect the visual properties of your image, keeping everything organized in one place. Now locate the transparency slider within Adjustments and move it to fine-tune how see-through the image becomes. Sliding to the right increases transparency, letting more of the background show through. Sliding to the left makes the image more solid and opaque. Watch the preview update in real time as you drag so you can land on a setting that fits your layout. If your image sits behind text, aim for a level that keeps the text crisp and readable without losing the essence of the image. For accent graphics, a lighter touch often works best, while background images may need a higher level of transparency to prevent visual clutter. Take a moment to zoom out or look at the full page or slide so you can judge the effect in context. Small tweaks can make a big difference, especially with busy backgrounds or thin text. When you're happy with the result, you're done. No extra steps required. The changes apply immediately, and you can revisit Format Options anytime to adjust further as your design evolves. That's it. You've just learned how to change the transparency of an image quickly and confidently, giving you cleaner layouts and more flexible design choices.